Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can submit an ad using front-end submission form. First, in order to do that, you need to be registered on the site. As I have already done it, I'm not going to do it now, but if you need to learn more about it and see how all of that functions, please watch the video user registration or read documentation part about it. Now I'm going to click on submit ad. You can immediately see that we have 4 active packages that we can submit an ad to, or we can purchase a completely new package. Now, we can override this completely and deactivate packages by going to Lisfinity settings, scroll to the bottom of it, under the payment packages options, click disable. Now, if we refresh the page, we will see that the packages page is not existent and the packages menu item is gone. If we click on submit new ad, we will be led to immediately fill up the form. Now, I'm gonna re-enable them for this tutorial. Refresh, try to click on submit new ad and choose the second recommended package. Now, we see that we have 6 ads left to be added here. Each of them will last for 30 days. And as for the media options, we have 2 free images, 1 free video, and 2 free documents in it. For example, basic package have 10 days duration and no additional media, which means every image in this package we will have to be paid for. Same for the video and the documents. That's why we're gonna choose recommended package. Now, we need to start filling up the form. As you can see, it is organized in the steps. Each step has its own name with its own set of fields. You can reorganize all of it only programmatically. If you wish to learn how to do that, please watch the video Organizing Form Fields or read the documentation part called Developers. Now I'm gonna try and add some real estate, for example. Let's start adding new condo for sale. Here, condo. Now, we need to agree to terms and conditions and privacy policy pages. As you can see, we can click to see them, and we can change those pages by going to WordPress administration area, section called pages. There, we see that we have created privacy policy page and terms and conditions pages. You need to know that you can delete this and add new one. Instead, you can rename this one, change content in them, anything you want. The important thing, after all changes, except for the content or title, you need to go to Lisfinity settings, pages settings, click on the tab default pages, scroll to the bottom and choose those new pages from these 2 drop downs. As you can see, you can type to sort the results. Okay, hope that is clear. We're going to go to the step 2. In this step, we need to fill up the details for the category we choose. We can choose category from this drop down. All these categories are created from the Fields Builder. Let me just show you that. When we go to the Fields Builder, here, these are the categories. Inside them are available taxonomies. So when we choose cars, those body, make, model, body color will be displayed. To learn everything there is about Fields Builder, please watch the video how to use Fields Builder. Everything is explained there in the great detail. Now, I'm gonna choose realty, just a dummy data, new 88, no, square feet 200, and lot size 1000 meters. Okay. Choose new condition, nothing here. Next. Now we need to choose to set up the price options. First thing we need is to choose the price types. There are 5 available price types here. Fixed, negotiable, auction with its own set of settings, price on call, and free. We can remove globally some of them by going to Lisfinity settings, add settings, add submission. Under the setting available pricing options, we can choose which one we wish to use on the site. If you don't need or plan to use the auction, just remove it and it will not show up here. Okay. Now we will use fixed. Each of these options is explained in the video how to manage add price options. Please watch it. How to manage add price types, sorry. There is one more checkbox here, sell on site. Checking this button will mean that this condo or ad will be sold directly through the site. The money, the payment will need to go through the WooCommerce checkout. We're not gonna do that now, but just so you know. Great option for your vendors. Now, you need to set address. First of all, we need to choose country and the city. If you wonder how you can change this, please watch the How to Use Fields Builder video. It is greatly explained there. Now, the next thing is to set market location. Why we do that? We do that in order when someone is searching for an ad, your ad will be displayed on the map, like this. That's why we need to set coordinates, and we can do it by entering directly coordinates that can be found on this site, or by dragging the marker. As you can see, there is another option to use Google autocomplete. This is when you type some address and the Google will automatically find it for you. It can be set from the Lisfinity settings, location map settings, then option location auto generate. Click on enable and you will have a new field to provide your Google API key. By clicking on the link below, you will be led to your dashboard where you can create your key, or you can watch the video how to set up Google API key to learn how to do it in great detail. If you are unsure, please watch it. Now we're going to go to the media step. Media step consists of images, additional documents, and promo videos. As we already know, this package allows for 2 free images. If we add 2 of them, we will not have to pay for anything more. Now, if we try and add another one, we'll have to pay 25 cents. We're not gonna do that now. The other thing, same is applied for documents and promotion videos. The important thing here is to know that the first image acts as a thumbnail of an ad. If you go to Elementor shortcode, where ads are displayed, you'll see that all these images are indeed the first one. That's the image. You can change it by drop and down functionality. Okay, we're gonna add single document and we're gonna try and add a video from YouTube. You can add predefined amount in the theme options. I'm gonna show you just in a minute. There is video. As you can see, there is 13 images left, 2 documents left, 3 videos left. You can set this up in the theme options. Next is the promotions. Promotions can be disabled by going to Lisfinity settings and clicking on disable promotions. If we click on that, everything here will be disabled. This step will be non-existent. Media will be, by default, media will be the last step. The important thing to know is that if you disable promotions, payment for the images will not be possible. Everything will be free, and the maximum amount of them you will be able to set in the theme options. Lisfinity settings. As you can see here, you can click and add promotions, choose number of days. Please watch a video how to manage promotions to understand on all this. If we have something to pay, we will need to proceed to payment first. Once we're done with payment, everything else will be done automatically for us, and the ad will become active. Okay, I'm not gonna do that now. Before submitting ad, before we click on it, I need to explain the ad status that will be applied after ad submitting. We can change that by going to Lisfinity settings, ad settings, and clicking on Ad Submission tab. There, first two options. First one is to choose the default status of a submitted ad. Meaning, when I click on Submit here, what will be the status of this ad? Will it be live? Will it be sent to pending admin review? Or will it be live but for premium profiles only? The same applies for editing an ad. Hope that everything was clear. If not, please use our support forum that is displayed in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.